Hello sir, hello ma'am. My name is Tejashree Kashina Jadhav. Today's date is 22 June 2021 and topic of the day is access specifier in Java. Access specifier means access modifier. It also called access specifier. Basically, as the name suggests, access modifier in Java helps to restrict scope of a class, constructor, variable, method or data member. There are four types of basic modifier available in Java. Basically, there are first one is a modifier, second one is private, third one is protected, and fourth one is public. So in a default we will see the same class is present. In a private, same class is present. In a public, same class is present. In a public protected same class is present. And second one is same package subclass. In default present, in protected not present. In protected present, private not present, and public present. Then subclass package same class non subclass. There are in a default not present, in a private not present, in a protected present, and in a public it also presented. And fourth one is different package subclass. In a default is not present, in a private not present, in a protect present, and in a public present. And last one is different package non subclass. In a default not present, in a private not present, in a protected not present, in a public is present. Then we will see the first of all default. Basically, default, when no access modifier is specified for a class or method or data member, it's said to be having the default. So the data member or class method which are not declared using any access modifier, that having default access modifier, are accessible only within the same package. In this example, we will create two packages in the classes. In the package we will having the default access modifier. We will try to access a class from one package, from class to the second package. Then we will see the private. In a private, the private modifier is specified using the private keyword. The method is data members declared as a private are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. Any other class of the same package we will not able to access this member. Top level classes interface can be declared as a private because private means only visible within the enclosing class, and protected means only visible within the enclosing class and any subclass. Hence, a modifier in terms of application, it classes apply only to the nested classes and not of the top level of the classes. Then we will see the protected. In protected we will see that in a protected we will see that the protected access modifier is specified using the keyword protected. This method or data member declare as a protected or access within the same package or subclasses in a different package. In this we will create two packages. Consider P1 and P2. Class A in a P1 made public and access it in P2. The display in a class A protected and class B is inherited from a class A, and then protected method is then accessed by the creating object of a class B. Then we will see the public access specifier. The public access specifier is specified using keyword public and the public access modifier is the widest scope among the all other modifiers, classes, method or data member that are declared as a public as accessible from everywhere in the program. There is no restriction on the scope of public member, so that we will see that if the programmer use your class, try to use the most restrictive access level that makes sense of a particular member. Used to private unless you have good reason is not. Avoid public fields except for a contention. This is all about access modifier in Java. Thank you.